Hare Krishna. I am Pratik and welcome to my channel Being Vaishnava. Hare Krishna friends. Today I am gonna tell you 5 main proofs that Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is himself Krishna. Yes friends, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is himself Krishna. Before I start the video friends, I am gonna tell you something about Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared on the earth before 500 years ago in Bengal, Navadvipa, at the banks of Ganga. So Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called the Prema Avatar. Yes friends, he is called the Prema Avatar. Just like Ramachandra, Bhagavan Ram is called as Leela Maryada Purushottam. Sorry friends, Maryada Purushottam. And Shri Krishna is called as Leela Purushottam. Right? So just like Shri Ramachandra, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called as Prema Avatar. He is the Prema Avatar. He comes on the earth to distribute the Krishna Prema, to distribute the Harinam Sankirtan movement, to distribute the Krishna Sankirtana movement. So Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called as the Prema Avatar. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu does not have weapons, does not have any chakra, he does not have any king Rajasi attire. He does not have that. He is a simple sannyasi. He is a simple sannyasi. He only distributes Krishna Prema. He does not kill anyone. Just like Shri Krishna kills Kamsa. Shri Krishna kills demons. Ramchandra, just like Bhagavan Ramchandra kills Ravana and the demons. But Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he does not kill anyone. He simply comes to distribute Krishna Prema. He simply comes to teach us humility. He simply comes to teach us how to be polite, how to live the life. What is the Yuga Dharma? Actually, Harinam Sankirtan. He comes to teach Harinam Sankirtan. So friends, let's get started the video. Stay tuned. Hare Krishna. Proof number 1. Guys, before I tell you the proofs are from the authorized Vedic scriptures. Authorized Vedic scriptures. I'm not telling you the proof from anything else source. I'm telling you from the authorized Vedic scriptures. So guys, I will recite a shloka from Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th chapter, 5th canto, shloka number 32. Krishna Varnam Tvisha Krishnam Sango Pangastra Parshadam Yagneha Sankirtana Prayer Yajantihi Sumedhasaha. Krishna Varnam. What it means? Krishna Varnam means Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is himself Krishna. Krishna Varnam. Tusha Krishnam. Tusha Krishnam means, as we know that Krishna has a blackish body. Krishna has a blackish body, but here Tusha Krishnam, this Sanskrit word means Tusha Krishnam means he does not have a blackish body. He has a golden body. Yes friends, he has a golden body. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he has a golden body. As Shri Krishna, when comes in Kali Yuga, as Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he comes in a golden body form. So guys, Krishna Varnam Tvisha Krishnam Sango Pangastra Parshadam. He comes in the earth to deliver all the fallen souls, all the ignorant persons, and to spread the Harinam Sankirtan, the chanting of the holy names, to spread the chanting of the holy names. So friends, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes in all attractive form. He has a golden color of his skin. He comes to give the Krishna Prema. He comes to deliver the fallen souls of Kali Yuga. Proof number 2. Friends, this proof is from the Vishnu Sahasranama. Suvarna Varna Hemango Varangas Chandanangadi. Suvarna, what this shloka means? Suvarna means Lord Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has a golden form. He has a golden complexion. He has a golden color. Suvarna, Varna. Hemanga means he has a golden appearance. He has a golden appearance all over the body. He has a golden appearance. He is shining like just like a gold shines. Gold is precious, na? Gold is precious. He is shining like a precious gold. Suvarna Varana Hemango Varangas Varanga. Varanga means he is exquisitely beautiful. He is so much beautiful. He has no competition in the beautifulness. He has no competition. He is so much beautiful. So much beautiful. Varangas Chandanangadi. He has the full body is the full body of Srila Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is smeared with sandalwood pulp. Sandalwood pulp means chandan. In Hindi it is called chandan. His full body is smeared with sandalwood pulp. Proof number 3. Friends, this proof is from the Garud Purana. As you know, the Garud Purana is the conversation between Lord Vishnu and Garuda. So, the following shloka is Kaleha Prathamaha Sandhyayam Lakshmikanto Bhavishyati Darubrahma Samipastha Sannyasi Gaura Vigraha. So, this shloka tells us about Kaleha Prathamaha in the start of Kali Yuga. The Lord Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu marries his eternal consort Lakshmi Priya Devi and takes sannyasa at the age of 24. Yes friends, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyasa at the age of 24 and then he resides in Jagannath Puri Dham near Lord Jagannath. Here the shloka is Daru Brahma Samipastha. Daru Brahma Samipastha means Daru, the word Daru, the Sanskrit word Daru here means neem wood. Don't misunderstand guys. The Sanskrit word Daru as in commonly called Daru as alcohol, but in Sanskrit Daru means neem wood. The deities of Lord Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra Maya are made up of neem wood. So they are called as Daru Brahma Samipastha. They are close. Lord Jagannath is very close to Lord Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Daru Brahma Samipastha Sannyasi Gaura Vigraha. And this shloka is from the Garud Purana. You can check in Garud Purana. It tells about Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Swayam himself, Krishna. Proof number 4. Friends, this proof is from the Padma Purana. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, states that Kaleha Pratamaha Sandhyayam Gaurangotham Mahitale Bhagirati Tatirame Bhavishyami Sachisutaha. Friends, in the start of the Kali Yuga, Bhagavan Sri Krishna will appear as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the home of Sachi Mata near a beautiful place called Mayapur on the banks of Ganga. This prediction is done by Swayam himself, Sri Krishna, that I will come as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and distribute the Krishna Prem to the fallen souls of Kali Yuga. The Supreme Lord also states that he will come in a golden form in the home of Sachi Mata. Sachi Mata is the mother of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Jagannath Mishra is the father of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He will take birth in Mayapur, which is presently located in Bengal, West Bengal. Proof number 5. Friends, this proof is from the Skanda Purana. The Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna states that Antah Krishna Bahir Gauraha Antah Krishna Bahir Gauraha Sangopangastra Parshadaha Sachi Garbhe Samapnuyam Maya Manusa Karmakrit. This shloka tells us that Krishna, who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, will appear as Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He will have Antah Krishna. He will be Krishna from inside, but he will appear to the common people as Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the golden form of Lord. He will also, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will also come with his most intimate companions and associates will come with him to teach the humanity the goal of the life. He will also take birth in the womb of Sachi Mata in Mayapur, West Bengal. And Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will be as a human being. He will not be or show that I am God. He will be as a human being and teach the all peoples of Kali Yuga, the Yuga Dharma, Harinam Sankirtan, Yuga Dharma Harinam Sankirtan. He will teach all the foolish people of Kali Yuga how to live life and be happy always. Sri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, will come as Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as in the form of human being. Human being, he will take a form of human being. He is so merciful that he will come as a human being and teach us the Bhagavad Dharma, what is the real purpose of the human life and how to live the life. Hare Krishna friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Friends, I tried to tell you in this video that Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is himself Swayam Krishna, and guys, believe me, it is the truth. All the Puranas, all the Vedas are saying the same sentence in different shlokas. So friends, I request you to please accept our Bhagavata Dharma, which is our real identity, and please read Bhagavad Gita as it is written by Srila Prabhupada, our ISKCON founder Acharya. Friends, if you are watching the video, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, share the video as far as possible. This was my humble attempt that I tried to tell you about Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If I was wrong in anything, please forgive me. I will be coming next with a fantastic video. So guys, stay tuned. Hare Krishna.